Welcome to the Lily floor plan. This is just one of the amazing homes that Four Corners is building out here at Staghorn. It's a new development in Rutherford County. We're halfway between Murfreesboro and Shelbyville, and I think you're really gonna like this house. Have a look, let me know what you think. All right, that was the Lily floor plan brought to you by Four Corners here at Staghorn. If you want more information or maybe you want to schedule a private tour, now is the time to reach out. Can't wait to hear from you.